Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 power tool sets. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Power tool sets. The Deco 126 PCS Power Tool Combo Kit is a solid all-in-one solution for home repairs and beginners. The 8V cordless drill with a 10mm keyless chuck is lightweight and easy to handle for everyday tasks. The wide variety of hand tools covers most common household needs, from assembling furniture to minor fixes. While not suited for heavy-duty projects, this kit offers great value, convenience, and reliability for routine home maintenance. Number 4. Power tool sets. The Cross-Border 139-piece 8V electric drill and tool set is a practical all-in-one solution for home repairs and electrical maintenance. The 8V drill offers decent power for light to medium tasks, while the variety of screwdrivers, bits, pliers, and accessories makes everyday fixes easier. Everything fits neatly into a durable carbon-style toolbox for organized storage. It's not a heavy-duty professional kit, but for users and household projects, it delivers great value and convenience. Number 3. Power tool sets. The high-spec 133 PC power tool set is a stylish and practical choice for home repairs, featuring a compact 8V lithium drill that handles light tasks with ease. The magnetic precision bits offer convenience for small electronics or delicate fixes, while the wide variety of hand tools covers most everyday needs. Its 3-tier toolbox keeps everything neatly organized. The pink design adds a fun touch without sacrificing functionality, making it ideal for beginners, students, or casual users. Number 2. Power tool sets. The Deco 126 PCS household hardware toolbox is a reliable, all-in-one kit for home repairs, car maintenance, and basic woodworking. The 8V cordless drill is lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for beginners and daily tasks. The set includes well-organized hand tools, precision bits, and essential accessories packed in a sturdy toolbox. It's a practical choice for home users looking for convenience, versatility, and good value without needing heavy-duty professional equipment. Number 1. Power tool sets. The high-spec 18V lithium drill power tool set is a solid choice for mechanics, and light construction work. The 18V drill delivers strong torque for drilling and fastening, while the lithium battery offers reliable power and quick charging. The included fast charger keeps downtime minimal, and the full toolkit covers most essential tasks. Its ergonomic design makes handling comfortable for extended use. Overall, this kit provides great value, dependable performance, and convenience for everyday projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.